Move the arm.
Bring one, Frank, Robinson, and Frank Mastery.
Frank.
Frank and Frank. Frank and Frank. Frank. Work on them hips. Control those hips. You gotta control those hips. Put your hand on his sternum. Still good. Legs up. Right there. Throw your weight up. Get the tripod. Throw your weight on. You got a body triangle on you. Put your knee in the butt. You gotta put your knee in the butt. Hold on. The hips push back. No ball strength, lean forward.
That's cool. That's sick. Full arm extension. That's perfect. That body time. Got long leg.
No, probably not for a while. I just put my knee on.
Gotta posture up. Posture up. There you go. Work on that body strength. Getting out of that body.
Arm bars and triangles.
Come on.
Bring it to the out.
Yeah, work on getting past that guard. Come on. Come on, Mikey. One sec. Come on, defend that. Come on, lock up. Yeah, Mikey. Come on, watch your arm. Yeah, get that. Watch it.
Turn into a runaway. Turn in. Come on, one time. Body line.
That's your water?